What's up, online shoppers? If you are looking for a bed solution, you need a new bed for your bedroom, you want something that's luxurious, it's got a beautiful boucle padded headboard and padded frame, you've got to check this one out. Now, this was gifted to me by the brand and it is absolutely a stunner of a bed. Now, the cool thing about this is it ships in a box that is no bigger than the depth of this headboard, and I put it together in just under 2 hours. That's right, an entire bed assembled in just under 2 hours. Now, this bed has a couple really cool features. First of all, the headboard itself here is padded. It is luxurious and soft. Now, I've built beds like this before and they all pretty much go together the same. And because the construction of this is just like 2 of the other beds I own already, I can tell you that this is a durable bed. It's built of bamboo slats right here that go all the way across. It has a really sturdy powder-coated steel frame and it goes together with lots of bolts. Now, you can assemble the bed using only the tools that they ship in the container, which is basically 2 Allen keys. You can also use some of your own power tools you have at home to make it go faster, but still 2 hours for assembly, and I think it's pretty reasonable. The very neat feature about this bed is that it actually has underbed storage. And if you take a look from the top, these are the slats right here. You can see the sturdy frame. And underneath, in 2 of the locations, are these awesome little drawers. Now, the drawers themselves have wheels and they wheel in and out very smoothly. And there's a little keyhole with a screw that fits in here to secure the drawer into place so that it doesn't come out unless you intend for it to come out. And I love how easy the drawers wheel on the ground. Something else that's pretty cool about this bed is you can actually customize it. You can choose where these drawers go. You can push this bed up against the wall and just put your drawers here and have the other side of the bed without any drawers. You can put one on each side as I've done here, or you can put the drawers up at the top of the bed. It really is up to you to decide how you want to customize this absolutely awesome bed. Now, this great queen full bed that has the padded headboard and the added storage underneath is available in quite a few different colors. You can get it in this beautiful cream color. You can get it in a light gray and a dark gray, and it comes in additional sizes. Wanted it in a twin? They have it in a twin. Need it in a king? You can get it in a king size too. Having used beds like these for a while, I can tell you that they are sturdy, they are quiet, and they are definitely convenient. If you are looking to get yourself a fantastic bed, it has this classic clean lines, beautiful, soft, luxurious padding, quiet sleep, and added storage. You can see that you've got really nice full coverage. It does a great job of fitting your queen size bed, just like that. Pretty awesome, very comfortable. It's a nice fit. Now, you can get an idea of just how sturdy and comfortable it is once you get the mattress on. I'm very impressed with the quality of this bed. I love it even more once I have a good, comfortable mattress on it. It's sturdy, solid, and definitely satisfying for the price. A great value, stylish, smart, and it has storage. That's what makes this gorgeous bed a family favorite at my house.